Priceless!
Ilyas, ano ka ba, pusa? Bakit ka nag-eat niyan? Hindi naman yan, ano tawag niyan? Hindi naman yan tamarind. Ayun yung tamarind, oh. Tingnan mo, hindi sila the same. Ang baho ng bubot mo, di. Tae pala yun. Kaldorsi.
Yummy! This is so delicious!
Dalasyos. Madalas ang ulan sa rada. You say A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Ibon naman si Kitty. Nakakalakas. Mr. nag-sprout yung ano. Mr.
Ang laki naman ng truck na yun.
Look. Dito sila nag-grow ng flower. Kasi papatay ko dito. May yung ano ko. Yung ano ko. Yung crack ko. Ano pa kukunin mo sa akin?
Tinitingnan ko yung plants ko.
Ayun pa.
Binabedyo ko yung plants ko.
Halika, meron pa doon. Halika, malayo pa doon. Malayo yun.
Ayoko na doon sa malayo.
Halika, meron doon. Halika.
At titignan kong mga wow ang dragon pro.
May dragon? Basta may dragon?
Nandun sa may road.
It's stuck?
Hindi mo pinakuha kay tatay. Na-pull down na siguro yun.
Patay na yun.
Uy, may ambulancers.
Ayun pa. Halika. And be careful, you step in the cactus. No, it's a joke. It's a joke.
Patay kat it.
Wait! Is that cactus?
Yeah! Ay! May naglasot.
And please, and don't touch it. Because it's
Yeah.
so sharp.
And have a torch.
It's like, and then take yours, and then got yours.
Yak, paklash! Ews.
Fruit!
Yeah. Hoy, that's not fruit.
What is it?
I see the guavas. Guava is a fruities.
Oh, there's an old dandelion, like a shape of like a that.
Is this a dandelion?
Yeah, it's so they want them all. It's so big. I pretend them their poop. Ito rescue ko John. It's yung plants, kasi ng endangered. Which is why plants that are bacteria, endangered, and
What? It's a grass.
Not grass.
What? Oh, yeah. I found it.
What? What is kind of fruit? We have some. Wait, did it crunch?
Taste it. No, don't do like that. You open it.
Wow. What is this kind of fruit?
What's the taste? Sour?
Yeah. I'm never believing.
About this?
This is warm eggs. The warm eggs are so sour.
About this guavas?
Too sour too.
How we can go there if we fall down here? We cannot get the guavas.
Yeah. Why are you going? Why
don't fly. You're not a bird. Excuse me.
Kuning lang ako.
I'm trying. If I pull down you, rescue me. Oh my. Oh my.
Nanay yung yung fruits. Nanay nakakatamis. Sequence. Yung nakakatamis na fruit.
Wait.
I get it. I got it.
This one.
I don't know what's it.
Why you let it go?
I look like a zombie.
Why you let it go?
Ayun, tanggal ko na. Take my take.